Well, good evening, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. And I did promise you that when Shiba Inu got listed on Robinhood, I would let you know that it happened because I believed that it would cause a rally for Shiba Inu. And we are looking at the account that I opened. Um, I did, I'm not big on Robinhood, but like I said, I wanted to be able to know firsthand when Shiba Inu got listed on this exchange because apparently a lot of people love this exchange. It looks a little hokey on the iPhone, on the web, but I wanted everybody to be able to see this in landscape mode, so I didn't want to use the app. But the first thing I did was to go in here, when I realized that they had listed it, and look where I thought it would be. I thought it would be under the altcoins, but it's actually not. Um, it turns out that it's actually just under the crypto. So if you just let's just go look at that. If we go and look at altcoins here, and we go, it'll have the original Litecoin and Dogecoin. So you're like, oh, they lied. No, they didn't lie. They actually just didn't list it under altcoins. They listed it under newly listed crypto. And get ready, folks, because this is a good one. Watch this. It's not just Shiba Inu. They've got Compound now. They've got Solana. There's Shiba Inu and Polygon. So somebody put some thought into this. They didn't just list, one new crypto. They listed several. But there's Shiba Inu. And look at it. It's up 19% on the day. Just like I predicted. The day that it got listed on Robinhood was going to cause rally. Question is, will this be enough to start the new rally for Shiba Inu and finally flip that 4-0 to 1? I believe that we're going to see something simply because of the number of people that use Robinhood as their platform to buy crypto. Now they got some more options. So I'm expecting a rise on Polygon, Shiba Inu, Solana, and Compound simply because they are new listings on the Robinhood platform. To give you an understanding of where I'm coming from, when Dogecoin, I think it was. Let's go over here and take a look. Can we go back one? Let's go look at the Bitcoin family. What do they got over here? When Dogecoin was listed on Coinbase, it went berserk. Okay. And I'm thinking that every time, of course, smaller cryptos get listed on these exchanges, you see an increase in price. So, I wonder if they've got Dogecoin. I don't think they do. I don't think they have Dogecoin as one of their coins. Oh, yes, they do. There it is. Dogecoin is one of the coins. And I do seem to remember that there was a pop in price for Dogecoin when it went to Robinhood. And it wasn't just one little pop. It actually continued over several weeks. And then it kind of settled out. This is exactly what I'm expecting with Shiba Inu. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Let your friends know that I guess Shiba Inu has made a name for itself big enough that even Robinhood is taking note and has added it to the list. And on the day, here we are at 19% up, while everything else is fluttering like it's about to flush down the toilet. And this is like I said before, folks, with crypto, sometimes you just got to pinch your nose, close your eyes, and pretend like you don't see what's going on. And then when you open your eyes and unpinch your nose, it'll be back to where it was. You just have to have some thick skin. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. It's Crypto Big Boss, and I'll catch you on the next one.